Today on Cooking with Adam, we'll be making sesame beef with steak and green beans. Stay tuned. Before we get started, just a few things. If you need the recipe guide, instructions, directions, and so on and so forth, it's in the link in the description. Click the link, jumps over to the site. You get to see the step-by-step instructions. Follow along with the video, it's easy as that. Also, if you want to try Home Chef, the link is in the description as well. And there's a link for the cooking tools that I use for tonight's meal. If you're not a subscriber yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you like the video, please smash that like button. With that said, let's get gents and ladies, we are working with the following ingredients. We have 1 teaspoon of multicolored sesame seeds. Here we go. You can see them. It's a glare. We have 3/4 cup of jasmine rice. We have 8 ounces of green beans. Pretty simple there. We have 1 yellow onion. It's about a medium size. We have 1/4 ounce of cilantro. We have 10 ounces of steak strips. We have 3 fluid ounces of garlic sesame sauce. And finally, 1 teaspoon of sambal. There you go. Alright, we'll need a few things to prep and cook the meal. As always, we'll need a pan, medium size, colander. We'll also need a pot, medium size or small, depending on how it's made. Your favorite knife. 3 bowls to slice and dice a few things. Some salt and pepper. And some olive oil. I'm gonna rinse the veggies and I'll be right back. We're gonna start to get the rice up and running. So pour the rice into the bowl. Pot. There we go. And you can add 1.5 cups of water. We're gonna cook this for about 20 minutes. So here's what we're doing. First up, while the rice is cooking, once it comes to a boil, you want to reduce it to a simmer. Then for the ingredients, we're going to cut off the ends and cut the green beans into approximately 1-inch pieces. We're going to coarsely chop the cilantro. We're going to cut the onion in half and thinly slice each half as well. Pretty simple. We're now going to add 2 teaspoons of some olive oil. Get it all nice and hot. We're going to cook the green beans and the onions for about 5 minutes. Where's my salt? Yeah. With about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Get that all nice and spread. Green beans in, onions in. You want to put a medium to high flame. A little salt. And we're going to mix together. We're about halfway done. The rice is done, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that. Oops, there we go. So when I was wrong, you don't need a colander, so just let it, keep it covered, and we'll be done with the meal pretty soon. Pretty simple meal to make, so we're going to continue cooking the green beans and the onions for another minute or 2, and then move it to a plate, cook the beef, and we'll be pretty much done after that. So we're now going to cut the heat and move the onions and the green beans to the plate to rest a little bit. There we go. Right, so now we're going to cook the beef. Add about 4 teaspoons of olive oil. Put the burner on to medium. Add the beef. There we go. I'm going to cook this for about 4 minutes. Break it apart and just keep on moving around every 30 seconds or so, so it's cooked evenly. We're about halfway done, and the beef is cooking nicely. So next on tap we'll be adding the veggies and the sauce into the mix, and then we're going to place the dish. We're now going to add the veggies back into the pan. Mix that. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water. The garlic sesame sauce, excuse me. Mix that together. We're going to now add half the salmon. Half the sesame seeds. Mix that together. And now we're going to taste it, see if it needs anything else. A little bit more salmon. And maybe a pinch of salt. How's that taste? There we go. Try it again. Much better. Alright, we're done. I'm going to place the dish. Here we go. I'm going to add some of the beef, the onions, and the green beans. Smells amazing. Sure will be delicious. And flip up the rice. Add that too. If you want to make it look all nice with a little dome, You just put it in a cup and put it down. Pretty simple. We're not that fancy here, so it's not necessary. And a little cilantro. Some of the sesame seeds. The rest of the other dish. Here you go. Ladies and gents, sesame beef with steak and green beans. Stay tuned for review. It was really good. Very filling. You have the rice, you have the steak, you have the green beans, the onions. Tasty, has a little kick with the sambal. No complaints whatsoever. If you want to kick it up a little bit, take out the rice and put like noodles in there. That would be probably a really good meal as well. Aside from that, there was no changes, no complaints, no issues. I definitely recommend it. I think anyone who likes this meal, this type of meal, would love the sesame beef with the rice. It's a really good meal. So with that said, take it easy and keep cooking.